The 2024 TX Sports Utility Vehicle, SUV, shares its base with the Toyota Grand Highlander and takes the place of the prior generation RXL three-row SUV in Lexus's range. While the RXL previously lacked spaciousness in the rearmost seat, the TX provides ample room for adults back there. Loaded with opulent features, the Toyota variant already boasts a comfortable interior, but the TX justifies its Lexus branding with a wide array of luxury elements, including the option for semi-aniline leather upholstery and a high-quality 21-speaker Mark Levinson sound system. This model offers 3 distinct powertrain options, encompassing 2 hybrid variations, one of which is a plug-in model. The lower-tier models are equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, while the plug-in hybrid delivers a robust 404 horsepower and an electric-only driving range of 33 miles. The Lexus TX marks a fresh addition to the Lexus lineup and is scheduled for release in autumn 2023. This new model comes in 3 distinct variations, among them a high-powered 404 horsepower plug-in hybrid known as the TX 550H Plus. Our recommendation leans toward the TX 350 Luxury, boasting coveted premium amenities like semi-aniline leather upholstery, 10-way power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated second-row seats. For an enhanced experience, we also suggest considering the technology package, which introduces a 12.3-inch dashboard display, a digital rear-view mirror, a head-up display, and a parking assist system. Vehicles identified with the TX 350 designation are equipped with a turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder motor. This base-level engine produces 275 horsepower and operates with an 8-speed automatic transmission, available in both front or all-wheel drive configurations. Stepping up, the TX 500 AHF Sport Performance enhances performance with standard all-wheel drive and an added hybrid assist system, elevating horsepower to 366. This model is paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission instead of the 8-speed. However, the most potent rendition of the TX 550H Plus, utilizes a 3.5-liter V6 engine combined with a plug-in hybrid system, generating an impressive 404 horsepower. The TX 550H Plus includes standard all-wheel drive and a continuously variable automatic transmission. On the road, the TX 350 exhibits slower acceleration compared to its hybrid counterparts, yet its serene and comfortable ride is likely to appeal to numerous luxury-minded families considering the TX as an option. Opting for either of the 2 hybrid powertrains offers livelier acceleration, with our estimation suggesting that the quicker of the 2 could reach 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. With the F-Sport enhancements, the TX demonstrates adept handling, impressing us during our experience navigating some of Austin, Texas's winding hill country roads. However, over uneven or bumpy surfaces, the suspension improvements in those models result in a less serene ride.